kind of cool. This is my second design for Christmas 2020. So for this design, I started a little bit differently. I started actually out with the stamping polish. I've owned the silver stamping polish for a while, and because it's sort of a little bit difficult to use, I haven't used it heavily. I tend to float back onto my black one or even the white ones as well. So I started out with this one, and I decided that I wanted a contrasting color. So I selected a L'Oreal Paris shade. It's actually kind of more of a maroon color, even though it shows up on black, and it does look black inside of light. So I thought it looked kind of cool with the silver polish and a little bit of red for that Christmassy vibe. I just sort of kept picking different images. I wanted to have a bit of a mix of large images and small images. One of the things I found with the stamping polish is it seemed to work pretty well with like those big patterns or the outside of the smaller images, but anything like detailed, so the little faces like a little bow or something, it really struggled to pick those up. So if you're trying to pick up those sort of details, maybe try a different polish or a different color or something else, or even just even make the face a different color and stamp it, do a bit of a layered stamping thing. It's another idea. In terms of actually using the polish, I'd recommend changing the angle of your scraper. So normally you kind of go on about a 45-degree angle. Here I'd recommend going about halfway between that, so probably about a 20-degree angle, just to lift that scraper up and so that you've got more polish on the plate itself. The biggest problem with metallic polishes is that they do dry really quickly, and with stamping polishes this still happens. So by leaving more polish on there, you've got more chance of actually picking up the image of the stamping plate. So for this design, I'm using a Maniology plate. I'm going to put all the details of everything I use down below, and also the Maniology monocle stamper, which is my new favorite. Oh, I've had it for a while now, but it's still my favorite, so I haven't found one to replace it yet, and I'm hoping that I can get another one soon when they're back in stock. Anyway, so this is my second Christmas design. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments if you've had much experience with metallic stamping polishes and what your thoughts are on them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!